Don't make this common MCAT mistake. We're going to be talking about the differences in trends between inductive effects and leaving groups. Let's go. So when we're talking about leaving groups, essentially we're talking about, which of these halogens in this case is the most stable when it leaves, right? So for example, this one right here, right, this fluorine is going to leave and become anionic fluorine. This chlorine is going to leave, become anionic chlorine, and same thing, right? Br minus and I minus. So here's the thing. This is the order of halogens on the periodic table, right? So when you go this way, this is increasing electronegativity. So our fluorine has the highest electronegativity, but this way is the highest atomic radius, right? So iodine will have the largest atomic radius. So when we're talking about leaving group, right, the most stable anion, we actually want to look at atomic radius, right? Because think about this. This is the atomic radius of iodine. It's larger than fluorine. So iodine, it can disperse its electrons, electron density at further distances, right? Further amounts, and there's more delocalization of electron density, right? But this fluorine right here, it's more like, concentrated in this area, and so it's less stable. But now when we're talking about inductive effects, in particular electron withdrawing groups, we're trying to talk about, with the addition of something over here, which one is going to enhance the ability of this iodine to leave. So for this, right, once again, here's our periodic table. This time we're looking at electronegativity, and the highest electronegativity atom over here is fluorine. So if we had fluorine over here, this is what happens. Fluorine, electronegative, really electronegative, it really wants electrons. So over here, this bond, it's pulling away electron density at a greater amount than, let's say you had a chlorine over here, or bromine or iodine. The fluorines are going to pull away electron density at a much higher amount. And when you pull away electron density from this bond, that makes the bond really weak. Think about a really weak bond. It's so easy for this good leaving group to just straight up break off. That's why inductive effects and leaving groups are opposites.